Well, I was on my way to work and I saw some chicken mushrooms. Uh, so I stopped by there on my way back home and I found these guys. Beautiful mushrooms. Beautiful aroma. So I cut a bunch of chunks off, and it's a spot where they keep growing year after year after year.
I'm making a video.
And that's a bunch of other ones cut up. I've got ready for sauteing. And I got some over here. Nice golden color on there. I've had some last year, and these are really good. So I just thought I'd share with everyone, anyone who checks out my channel. So that's it. Thank you much, and have a good one.